So in this video, I want to break it down for you in very simple steps how you can unlink your card, your debit or credit card from your PayPal account, or probably disconnect your card from your PayPal account, or just delete it completely from your PayPal account. Now, this video is tailor-made specifically for people who have linked their card to their PayPal account and for some reason feel disgruntled or are not comfortable with linking their card to PayPal and want to remove it for certain reasons. So it's very easy and straightforward. All you have to do is to come here and click on wallet. This video is meant to be as short as possible. And once you click on wallet, you can currently see that money transfer, MasterCard, and all of that stuff. Yeah, you can see link a bank, link a card. I have already linked one card. I can decide to link more cards, or remove the one I currently have, and that's not what I'm trying to do. So I'm just gonna come here and click on this MasterCard here, and once you click on MasterCard, it's going to bring you to this point. You see, you can say update your MasterCard or remove your MasterCard. Now, choosing a preferred way to pay online set as preferred. Instead of making this preferred, we want to click on update if you want to update our MasterCard. I want to click on remove if we want to remove our MasterCard. Let's click on update and see what that brings. So update simply brings you here where you just do some settings to it. You probably do certain changes and you click on update, and that's about it. But in this video, that's not what we're trying to achieve. What we're trying to achieve is to actually remove our MasterCard, which is the one I've entered. So I'm just going to come here and click on remove. This is are you sure? Means MasterCard. But before we do that, right, you might want to understand that if you do not have a current or an existing PayPal account, this video is completely irrelevant to you. So how you might want to create a PayPal account is simple. Just come on my YouTube channel here, and then you can click on the video so you can create. Now, there are two types of PayPal accounts you can create. One is the normal PayPal account that you can create as a Nigerian, or an African, a Ghanaian, or somebody in a third world country. And it's simple. You just want to come here and actually watch this video here. Open a verified PayPal account. How to open verified PayPal account in 2024 allows to receive and send funds, and this video is going to show you how you can open a PayPal account. However, that normal PayPal account, it works. You can receive and send funds using that PayPal account. However, if for any reason you want a PayPal account that comes with zero restriction whatsoever, then you might want to come here and actually open this PayPal account. How to create a UK British PayPal account. This means that you can create a PayPal account that is British inclined. You can receive funds anywhere around the world, and it comes with zero limitations. You can link your card, you can remove your card, and also if you want to learn how to link your card, you can come here and watch this video on how to link your card to PayPal. But again, before you can actually create a UK PayPal account, there are a couple of things you would need. One is a VPN. That is exactly why I have created this video, so you could watch it and know how you can use the VPN. Now, in order to complete what actually made you start watching this video, to remove your credit card from your PayPal account, very simple. All you have to do is to come here, like I said earlier, and click on remove. Once you click on remove, it's going to ask you, are you sure? You're going to click on remove this card, and you can see your master debit card has been removed, and then you click on done, and that's about it. So now it's asking me to add a card. That sound is it's an email I just received, so I'm just gonna come here and check my inbox and see what PayPal has to say. You can see your card, you removed a card from your PayPal account on 22nd October. This video was made on 22nd October 2024. So if I want to add it back, it's very simple. I'm just gonna come here and click on add a bank account, link a debit or credit card, and then I'm going to enter the details of the debit or credit card here. That's how I could link it. And then once I enter the card, I enter the expiry date, enter the security code, I'm going to click on link. Mind you, smart thing to do is to enter a MasterCard. Now there are options here. You could enter Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Maestro, Union Pay, Dinas, etc. But I would always advise that you stick with a MasterCard for easy access and all that. And a lot of people ask me, what kind of card can I link? Can I link a UBA card? Can I link a Zenith bank account? What bank account can I link? Actually, you can link any bank at all. So that's about that. If you feel like I gave you value for your time, please do very well to hit on the subscribe button if this is your first time on this channel. Like this video and share so that more people would get to see it. And I'll see you in my next video. Salam.